It enables to detect and weld two types of nut on one device. Robo-navi-Double. Robo-navi-Double is a pore weld detection system suitable for robots and automated machinery. Because the guide pin height can be set to 2 levels, 2 types of nut welding can be done on one welder. Same as other Navi series, when it detects the incorrect setting of a nut, it stops a welder to prevent manufacturing a defective product. It can detect 15 types of incorrect nut setting. Great cooling effect with inner water cooling system. Air blow system reduces spatter adhesion to the unit inside, and it also helps to cool electrodes. Weld 2 types of nut on one welder. Increase operational efficiency significantly.